This is so relaxing.
I'm feeling really creative. Whoa, that's pretty good. It's much better than mine. There's only one thing for it. Oops.
Are you kidding me? Two can play that game.
Why would you do that? I'll show you.
Oh, it's on!
That's it!
This belongs in the trash!
You're so annoying!
You started it!
I'm outta here.
Counting money is the best.
If you say so.
I love being rich. Gotta go. Wow, look at this place. I could be pretty happy here. And you know, I deserve it. It's beautiful. Wow. This'll do. I'll take it. Here you go. Now give me the key. I'll take that. Wow! My very own mansion! I'm so happy. Woohoo!
This looks like a nice area. Whoa! Are you serious? All my dreams are coming true! Huh? Oh, I have to pay for it? I hope this is enough. What a day! What's this? Wow! A cardboard key! Fancy! What's next? I really should decorate. Where should I start?
Flowers? For me? Is this a joke? I only like roses. Ah, that's better. Thanks. I love them.
Whoa, free flowers. Is it meant to be that color? It looks dirty. Wait a second. I know what to do. It'll be perfect. What am I waiting for? Ugh, how did they get in here?
I'm intrigued.
What else is in here? This looks interesting. Ooh, paint. Everything is coming together. I better get to work. I'll squirt the paint onto cardboard. That should do it. Now I'll add a lighter shade of blue. Let's try some yellow. I'll dip the bag into it. I want to coat it. I'll press it over the cardboard. It'll look great on the wall. Wow, I'm surrounded by art. It's like being in a gallery. Who doesn't love flowers? I'm so happy.
What will I do? The walls are looking pretty bare. I'll need some help. Butler, get in here. Let's take a look. There must be something in here. Wow, look at that. That's the one. Huh?
So much dust.
I can use this rug. I'll make some alterations. I'll cut a small square. But there's more work to be done. It's like you read my mind. I might give you a pay raise.
What's she doing?
Oh, you'll find out.
I can't wait.
I'm ready to create a masterpiece. This'll be my paintbrush. And the wall is my canvas. Oh yeah. This is gonna look so good. I'll need a stencil. I'll paint over it. This is fun. I feel like an artist. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Now I'll add some photos. I think it's ready.
Finally. Whoa.
Isn't it wonderful? I'm pretty proud of it. And I did it all myself. Yippee!
I'm not finished. I've got big plans for this room. What do you think?
I prefer more expensive things. It's perfect. Why is he staring at me?
It's starting to feel like home. Wait, is she sleeping?
Where am I? Oh, why is the cushion wet?
You were drooling.
No, I wasn't! I would never do that! I need to fix this! Hold on. I can use this blanket.
What? How?
It's worth a try. I'll lay it on the floor. Then place the cushion in the center. I'll fold the blanket over it. Then I'll tie the edges. I'll make sure it's nice and tight. I want it to be neat. Wow, that'll do the job. It looks so chic. And it's my favorite color.
I like that.
Beat that.
Aw, I'm out of chips. That's disappointing. Oh, I know. Give me a second. Ugh.
What is that?
I keep snacks hidden away. You never know when you'll need them. Huh. It's empty. That's okay.
Where's he going?
Whew. This is heavy. I need to work out. Okay, what have I got in here? I'm feeling lucky. This is what I'm talking about. I've hit the jackpot. I'll place this into the packet.
This is so weird.
In it goes. I need to pat it out. Now I can seal it. It's my very own pillow. It's soft and super cute. Who's a good doggy? You are. Oh, the chip packet. I better get rid of it. Don't want to mess you home. That's better. It's so soft. Nap time.
That sounds like a plan. Cozy. Yeah, I know. Wait.
Today's the day! It's my job interview!
I'll see you later. I need to watch this.
I'll need a shirt. Oh, I only have one. That's an easy decision. Let's try it on. These sneakers won't do. I need to be professional. Ugh, I'm making a mess. I'll pretend that didn't happen. I hope this goes well. I'm starting to get nervous.
Hey, girl. You're here!
I have something for ya. It's the latest style.
I don't think so.
Oh, that's okay. How about this?
No. No way.
I like it. Now you'll love this. It has a genie.
Boring.
Really? Tough crowd. Wait, look at that. That's your rug. Honey, that's tragic.
It was here when I moved in.
Check this out.
It's okay, I guess. It's not glamorous enough.
I'm not done. Let's give it some pizzazz. Time to work my magic. It's one of a kind. It'll be exclusive. Which makes it more expensive. And that makes me rich. I've almost finished. What do you think? It's fabulous, isn't it?
Wow, it's perfect!
Wait! Don't move!
Huh? What's wrong?
Sweetie, this is art. It belongs on a wall. My work here is done. Ciao!
He's a genius! A rug on the wall? What a joke.
Are you sure about that?
I know what I'm doing. That's more like it.
I wish I had a fancy rug. Oh no! My sweater! It's ruined! Maybe I can use this. I need one more thing.
This'll be funny.
I have a good feeling about this. I'll grab the wool and wrap it around a needle. I think I'm ready. Here goes. I'll push it through the mat. I need to fill the holes. So far, so good.
What the…
Wow, it's better than I imagined. Look at it. Jealous? Yeah, I know you are. I'll put it right here. It'll hide the dirt. Hehe, it's so comfortable. Hold on. I'm late! Ah!
Now I can relax.
Think money can buy style? Or can you create a beautiful abode on a budget? Well, there's only one way to find out. This room is pretty plain, but it is a blank canvas. There's so many possibilities. Nah, I want something more me. Something unique. I know exactly what to do. Phew! Why did I buy so much? I'll start with this. Sticking this strip of LED lights to the wall. There! I think that'll do it. What's next? This tape will be useful. Perfect! That was surprisingly quick. Now for the fun part. I'll put this cotton wool on the tape. It's so fluffy. I need to make sure I cover all the tape and the lights. I feel like I'm living in the clouds. That's the first part done. Now for some color. Come on! I did it! I'll do the same to the other foam tubes. Some cotton wool and all I have to do is tape the ends together. Finished at last! Such a pretty rainbow! This'll look great here. I've added some more LED light strips between the foam. Let the light show begin! Pretty awesome! I think this requires some professional help. Hi, I need your skills. Great! Did someone call for an artistic genius? My canvas awaits. First, I have to feel the textures, sense it, be one with it. And I shall begin. This is kinda boring. Yes! The paint is talking to me! This is wonderful! Leave me to create! Hey, I just wanted to check you were okay. This is my best work yet! And I call this one Person with Hairband. Recognize her? It's you, see? Do I really look like that? Superb! Truly magnificent work! I'm really happy with this. And the room isn't too bad either. Oh no, the chocolate is melting! I should wash this off. What's next? No! My ring! It was my favorite one! Please be there. Huh? How did this get here? Oh! I think I've got something! I was wondering where that went. Come on! Finally! Now where's my ring? Yuck! Please don't be a mouse! Woohoo! This gives me an idea. I think this'll work. I think this is everything I need. I'll connect the pipes together. Then give it a coat of paint. I'm really proud of this. Every room should have some plants. My own indoor hanging garden. It makes the room feel alive. And smells amazing. That looks too big. Nope. That's the one! Delivery is how much? I'll collect it myself. Better go get it. Push! Why is this so heavy? That delivery fee is starting to look like a bargain. Move! Ugh! Almost there. Ugh! It's staying here. I can't do this anymore. Totally worth it. I need something in it. I know. It's so lovely and feels like home. Look at all these balloons. This'll be fun. Oops. Maybe I should try a different method. I was sure that would work. This time, I know what I did wrong. Switch it on and… That was so fast! That's a great way to inflate balloons! Yes! I'll put this one right there, and this one can go there. I need to use this vacuum pack. Aw, they look so cozy! Now the vacuum will be handy. That worked so well! I just have to get a few more things. Ooh! I could use this cardboard. What the… This is my lucky day!
Hey! Where are you going with my house?
Run! Take this money! Sorry!
Stop! House thief! Oh, money. I've got plenty more if you need it.
I'll cut the cardboard into shapes. Gotta be careful, though. This is gonna be so good! Done! Yes! This piece goes here, and this is the last part. It looks uncomfortable, but it's not finished. I'll use this cover and then add my balloons. It's good to sit down after a hard day. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I'm this big, and the sofa is this wide… Yeah, I think that'll fit. Oops! Who put that there? Who said decorating was… Whoa! I need to be careful. It's not bad. Ooh! That's exactly what I want! Hey, I'll take this one! It looked different in the store. Maybe no one will notice. At least it's comfortable. I've gotta get the right price.
This is one of our most popular items. Don't delay. Call now.
I must have that lamp.
Can you really miss out on this bargain?
This is so tasty.
Light up your life with this beautiful lamp.
She's such a good salesperson.
They're going fast. Don't be left in the dark. Call now.
This is hungry work.
And that's it. See you next time.
Seriously? But I wanted it! Wow, I ate a lot of popsicles. Maybe I can use the sticks. I'll start by gluing the popsicle sticks onto 2 pieces of wood. I'll do the same with some more strips of wood. Wow, that turned out well. I'll put a bulb in the base. A unique light and I got to eat popsicles! What a day! Aw, it looks so nice. Nope, that won't do. That's ideal! And that one! Online shopping is so easy! My lamps! Let's light things up! Ugh, my eyes! That's better. Maybe I overdid things a little. So I have to wear sunglasses indoors. Who cares? Hey, doing a bit of rug shopping? I'm gonna have a look around. I've not got a lot left. I need to be clever. This is in my budget. I can work with this. Ugh, a little help? I seem to be tied up. So many rugs to choose from. Oh wow! This is such a great color! And soft! I'll take it! Yes! Quit struggling! I'll pull this. I'm getting dizzy. This is never ending. I'm gonna puke. I don't feel so good. Look what I made!
Give me that! Thanks! The rug can go there.
It really ties the room together. Now it feels like home. This is the final piece of my makeover. It'll look amazing alongside everything else. Can't forget to take this out. I better shake off the dust. What a lovely day! The sun's out, it's warm. Huh? Where did my rug go? Need to borrow this. Thanks! Hey, that's mine! Get back here! Great, that's all I need. But it's not a disaster. I can use this. I'll use a knife to make a cut along the side. Then cut it into pieces. Some red foam will look good too. All done! I should do this for a living! That feels great! I love this room. It's just how I imagined. What would your ideal room look like? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.